connected without internet on Poco M8. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, click power button and volume up button, and you will see restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. So if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on more creativity option and click on reset settings. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset settings, enter your phone pin and click on next and click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. Go back to home screen. So if it's still not solved, so click on settings app, scroll down and click on notification and status bar, customize icon display. So turn on D and D. After turn on D and D button, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can connect it without internet on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.